Hey everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious zucchini bread that is quick, easy, and perfect for anyone who loves to bake. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you won't miss any delicious recipes that I upload in the future. Let's get started! Here are the ingredients that you'll need to make this classic zucchini bread. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 3 eggs, 1 cup of vegetable or canola oil, 2 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of zucchini grated. In a large mixing bowl, add the all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon. Use a whisk to combine the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, add the eggs and beat until they begin to foam. Add the oil, sugar, vanilla extract, and grated zucchini to the eggs and stir to combine. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl of dry ingredients. Use a spoon or spatula to stir just until the mixture is moistened. Do not overmix. This will cause tunnels and a coarse texture. Spray an 8 by 4 inch bread loaf pan with non-stick cooking spray. If desired, coat the inside of the pan with sugar. This will add a crunchy texture to the outside of the bread. Pour the batter into the loaf pan and fill it 2/3 of the way full. Bake the zucchini bread at 325 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. You will know it is done when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow the bread to cool on a cooling rack, then slice and serve. You can find the full recipe in the description below and the printable version over at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please like and subscribe for more fun recipes, and I'll see you next time.